gigantic construction machinery, underground drills, body painting, and new technologies in the construction industry were just the tip of the attractions on display at Bauma Africa 2013. The international trade fair for construction machinery, building material machines, mining machines, and construction vehicles took up to 60,000 square meters of exhibition space, which makes it the biggest industry event for the sector in Africa.
We have shows in Munich, Shanghai and Mumbai. We were looking at the African market. We did research for about 2 years. Eventually the decision was made to bring it to Africa. Well, initially when we were doing the planning, we were looking at 200 exhibitors and about 20,000 square meters of exhibition space. When we opened the doors on the first day of Bauma, we had over 750 exhibitors and we'd taken up 60,000 square meters of exhibition space. We've got a lot of international companies. We've got 38 countries that have been participated at Bauma Africa. In terms of visitors, we've had 101 different countries that have registered as visitors. 41 of those were African countries. It was very important for us to get the African visitors to the show. As it being Bauma Africa, it was important for our clients to see the African countries, the SADC countries in particular. Well, we're definitely an emerging market, and I think it's testament by the amount of exhibitors and visitors that we've had at the show. They see Africa as an emerging market. They've put a lot of investment into this show in particular, which shows confidence in what they see in the future for Africa.
Bauma came to South Africa for the first time, which is huge, which told my company in the US and my joint venture company in Brazil that we should really attack this region because it is forward moving. Bauma Munich was very successful for us, as well as trade shows around the world. Between both companies, we've had several machines over the last 20 years in Africa, and we figured this was really a launching pad to actually come here, introduce ourselves with machines, with video catalogs, and try to build some relationships not only with just contractors, but the possibilities of setting up dealer and distribution networks throughout the region.
Bauma is the biggest fair in the world. Each time when it's possible we go to Bauma Munich, also BC India, Bauma China. We have a factory in Beijing and now we go to Bauma South Africa.
Our interesting to participate in Bauma Africa principally was to know the market. We believe a lot in Africa